Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a yellow, red, blue color tint on the screen in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this tint screen, simply open settings and then scroll down and click on accessibility. Then click on display and text size and then scroll down and click on color filters. So this screen is just because you have turned on color filters, and if you want to fix this blue, yellow or red screen, just simply turn off this color filters button. So it will fix your screen. And if you want to turn on yellow, red or blue color tint on the screen, just simply turn on this button and then click on blue yellow, green red or red green, and you can also click on color tint to create your own color. So that's how you can fix the yellow, red or blue color tint on the screen in iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.